Hey guys, what's going on? I hope you're all doing well and that you're having a nice day, and welcome to another tutorial video. Now, in this video, what I will be showing you guys is how you can use templates on Instagram. So let's get right into it, shall we? So, to actually use a template, you first need to actually find a reel that has a template. So just enter your reel search, and let's just find one real quick. Now, I think, yeah, I left it on one that actually has a use template button, and what you want to do is just click on the use template button and this should pop up. This is where you can add clips for your own clips for the template, and it'll follow the same audio cues that the original template uses. And yeah, just use whichever ones you want. Let's just use the camera and record some new ones if I can. Well, you can select up to 7 media, and yeah, you can select videos of the duration of these, as you can see, of these segments, I guess you could say. 1.3, 1.3, 1.0, 0.9, 1.3, and so on and so forth. And once you're done, just click next, and you might be able to edit some more things, add other audio, add filters, and so on and so forth, add effects, and just the basic things you can do in Reels. I won't be demonstrating exactly how, because I don't want to access my gallery. I don't have any photos that I want to actually put on Instagram. So that is pretty much it. The rest of the process goes exactly like posting a standard Instagram reel. If you guys need any more help, please refer to other tutorials are either on this topic, or if you need different topics, please feel free to check out the rest of our channel. Like the video if you've liked it, subscribe to our channel if you want to keep in touch with our tutorials, share them if your friends need help, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.